Sekejap. So we arrive at HSC. See, hilang cat dan kempal kenderaan. So kita jumpa Naim, the owner of the Rx7. So this is Naim. Hey.
Hey, what's up? How are you?
Good.
Good.
So tell me something about yourself.
Okay, so basically my name is Naim. I'm 27 years old, and this is my baby, my Rx7 FD3S 1992.
1992.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the oven for the painting booth. So you can see now there's a silica inside there. So they're preparing for the second layer for the painting.
Okay.
Yep. So I managed to strip off the car within 4 days. It's quite long juga lah because buat seorang. I try to make it slowly, one by one.
Okay, so basically semua benda ni buat seorang lah?
Yeah.
Seorang?
Yep, seorang. Yeah. Except for the engine lah, because I need to get some help from my friend. Okay. Because he has all the hoist and the engine stand and everything, right? So I went to his house to get things done. So basically this car is in a mess actually. Okay. So meaning that there's some rust, you can see right, banyak rust and some macam uneven colour lah, because the car used to be in this colour and then the previous owner painted into white.
Okay. Oh, so, green eh?
Yeah. So it is something, I think it's like metallic blue, the classic metallic blue. Where I think it is to make sure the car is back to the original state. Bring that, keep it, everything in original state. So I will paint the car in white, and I'm gonna do some undercoating as well. Okay. This is because kereta ni dah lama kan. So that's
before this boleh gerak?
Yes, boleh gerak. It was perfectly fine lah. So I've been driving it for about 4 years, 3 years. And
4 years?
Yeah.
Tak sentuh apa-apa?
Sentuh, but I did it by myself jugalah kat rumah and be a friend of mine jugalah. Okay. So basically the engine is Bridgeport, and it is ported by Howard Rotary in the UK. So this car is imported from UK and been brought back to Malaysia. Okay. Basically Rx7, this is the third generation. Okay. There's 3 generations. The first, the second and the third one, which is the third one lah. So it started from 1992 until 2002. So if you can see the RZ and all this, the fancy, the new one is the newer version of the FD3S. So basically mine is the first version of the FD3S. Mine is tinggal terbuat. And then this is behind there. We can have a look there.
Still tak cabut lagi?
Belum lagi, because I want to do it one by one. I can't do it all semua at the same time, kan takut miss barang apa semua. So basically this is the engine. Yeah, I have a big throttle body which is 90mm. This is from Rotary Works, and a feed elbow. And everything is still stock, I believe. And I upgrade my primary, my secondary fuel is upgraded, the bigger size. And the injectors are still same, and I have my fuel regulator as well from SARD. Yeah, this is original from Japan as well. And actually this is the lightweight pulley. It's from G-Ready. I don't know how it's pronounced, but it is G-Ready. And this is my turbo, GT4066.
Stock turbo?
It's the upgraded turbo.
Upgraded,
And part of that, what I've done to this car is I custom again the manifold here. This is the power steering, the fuel tank, and this is the front ke rear ni. This is the rear. This is the rear knuckle, and this is differential, and this is equipped with two-way LSD OS beacon. Oh no, OS beacon is cars. Sorry. Yeah, two-way LSD. Okay, so for this new look, I'm gonna use the URAS bumpers behind. I can't open because it's too heavy. Everything is out there.
We keep it secret lah.
Yeah. Keep it secret. For me to know, for you to find out. Okay, so basically this is the R Magic kit, the N1 if I'm not mistaken. So when I bought the car is equipped and fitted with this N1 kit, full kit from the bumper, side skirt and the rear bumper as well. And I got a GT2 Ari Amemea wing as well. And with the side canard, the dry cover side canard on the side. Yeah, but everything's at home, I just keep it at home. Trying to change the mood and make it a bit simpler. Yeah. What I'm gonna do with the engine bay is I'm gonna paint into the same color with the car, which is the Grand Prix white NSX color, the white NSX color. Just keep it the classic look, like 90s spirit. Yeah.
Okay, nice.
So as you can see here, I marked here and everything, just to cover up all the holes, because I wide tuck all the engine bays, and yeah, and I want to cover all the shape all the holes here. Cover all the holes here.
Kenapa shape?
Yeah, because it doesn't look nice, man. Lubang-lubang kan. Because I just want to have like one engine look.
Okay, so
yeah.
keep it clean lah.
Keep it clean. When you open the hood, oh, that's the engine.
Okay.
Not much of wires and
nanti
stuff.
everything akan cat balik lah.
Yeah, akan cat semua.
Clean engine bay lah.
Clean engine bay, that's right. Yeah. Basically, this car is half cage.
Half cage?
Yeah, half cage from here to the back side. It's a classic AP Racing.
Classic AP Racing.
Yeah, 6-sport. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna water blasting and keep it the original look. I'm not gonna paint or anything. Yeah, most probably just refurb the nuts, the screws and everything. Because it's a bit nasty now. You can see, right? The dirt and everything. It's pretty bad. Yeah.
Classic AP Racing.
Classic, yeah.
First time tengok.
This is the model 4098. Okay. Right. As you can see here, the front knuckles is pretty bad in shape, rusty and everything, right?
Okay.
And this link as well is pretty bad in shape. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna replace it with a new one. And as for the bushing, just now, like we said, this one, I'm gonna replace it as well. I'm gonna remove all the dirt by means of water jetting and then get it done.
So semua yang ni akan buat dekat kedai ni lah?
Yes, buat kedai ni. So basically kedai ni boleh buat almost semua lah, but not semua. Yeah. And this one, as you can see, I remove one of the pillow ball. It's pretty bad in shape, so I need to get the newer one, to replace it. And the bushing is pretty bad. Ta-da! It's really wiggling out. Yeah, habis. Yeah. And previously, this car is fitted with all-in suspension, and the pillow ball is from Casco, from the front side. Yeah, same as well. I'm gonna replace this, and I'm going to change with a new one, which is from RDS. It's in Shah Alam, Glenmary. It's a local-made suspension, and it's so good. We've been in touch for the past 2 years, and we've been sharing information. RDS.my. You can check out their Instagram, rds.my.
Link ada kat bawah.
Yes, down here. Okay. So this is the fitment of the wheel. If you can see, yeah, it's not too much. It's just nice, I believe. Yeah, and yeah, this one as well.
4 tahun pakai.
4 tahun.
Stop macam gini.
So macam gini, I just change the rims and waiting for the major project, which is this one. Yeah. So this is the front wheel and the rear wheel.
Everything buat dekat rumah?
Mostly buat kat rumah, because I have nothing to do, so I just do this lah at home. So this is the rim again. Yeah.
Macam mana boleh nak beli
baby? Yeah. It's hard to say. So it is weird, because when I was in Scotland, people would think, get a Conti cars lah, BMW, Mercedes or any some sort like that kan. But I brought back a Japanese car from Japan to UK or Scotland, and then back to Malaysia.
Originally from Japan?
It's from Japan. It cost me about 30,000 ringgit only.
Berapa?
30,000 ringgit.
30,000 ringgit?
Yeah.
Seriously? Murah gila.
Yeah, and then it was fantastic. I was like, oh my god, it's so cheap. And I was like, okay, might as well get it straight away. So beli. When I bought the car, test drive the car with the previous owner, and the car was amazing. The sound, the propping sound, prop sound, and the condition of the it is Bridgeport already. And then the condition of the car it's okay. It's not that bad, but it's okay.
Okay lah.
Yeah, it's okay. So I bought the car, drove back all the way from Surrey to Scotland. It took me about 8 hours. 8 hours. All the way driving alone with the sound. And then from there, and then ship back to Malaysia lah. So for the shipping company, saya guna Adon Express. It's a Malaysian logistic company in the UK. So most of the students in the UK akan pakai Adon Express to ship back their cars ke, barang-barang ke, whatever. And the shipping cost was so cheap that time. Just 500 quid, 500 pounds. It cost about 2,000 ringgit lah. Okay.
Right?
Yes, it's 1.3. It's a twin rotor lah. It's a twin rotor, yeah.
So every year 1.3 lah insurance.
Yes, it's so cheap. Sometimes
so cheap. Bayar MyV je?
Yes, bayar MyV. Betul, bayar MyV murah sangat. Kadang-kadang bayar betul ke rotak kita ni murah sangat kan?
1.3.
But sadly now I cannot go for comprehensive insurance. I have to go for third party. So third party cost me about 200 ringgit. So I have to be really berhati-hati lah to drive around apa if anything happen kan. Okay, so basically this is the workshop area. This is the main entrance. Okay, so we're gonna go to the front office. Right, we have to go out from here. Okay, let's go. And then this is the car park punya untuk customer lah. The clients datang akan park kat sini. And this is the main office. And come guys, let's go. Oh. And there's no one here as you can see. And we are using glass turret at the moment. So this workshop memang they push for glass turret from A to Z.
Highest quality lah.
Yeah, the highest quality. Even their sanding pad, they are using 3M. The top notch.
Okay.
Yeah, everything is the top notch equipment lah. Okay, so we have one nice furniture over here. It's a Panigale 1199.
So bergerak tak ni?
Bergerak tapi just a furniture at the moment. Okay. So basically the administration office lah. So if you want to come in and then you register yourself and your car from this section lah. And this is the waiting area. And inside there is the office management lah. Yeah. And from that door we can access to the workshop. Yeah. Let's go.
Punya ada lift?
There's a lift for the office upstairs. So basically, HAC is like the small company of a bigger company. So I'm not sure what's the name of the parent company. So this is like a part of the company lah. As you can see here, there's a Fit RS front bumper. Yeah, just painted.
So ni
customer punya, yes. And that's the glass turret punya pin goes lah for the mixer. Yeah, this is the base coat. And they can go down here, ada dia punya effect lagi. Macam ni kan?
Itu apa?
Ni macam, I think this is a crystal kot. Glitter crystal dia. All the effects lah. Yeah. Okay, probably we can proceed with Abang Azhar, which is talk about the shop.
Ini Hidayah Autosport kita ditubuhkan pada tahun lepas dalam awal bulan 10. Syarikat ni memang 100% syarikat Bumi Putra. Jadi kita lokasi kita di SILC. Nanti boleh tengok kita punya website. Kemudian kita buat kereta, semua jenis kereta kita buat. Kalau siapa yang tak tahu,
jangan malu-malu datang lah.
Jangan malu-malu datang. Kita ada website Hidayah Autosport Center. Boleh tengok di Facebook dan juga di Instagram. Kemudian untuk penduduk Johor Bahru, kita alu-alukan lah sebab dekat dengan kita punya lokasi. Iskandar Puteri.
Iskandar Puteri.
Iskandar Puteri. Cuma yang di luar sana tak tahu, boleh tengok kita punya Facebook dengan Instagram. Kalau mau datang pun kita alu-alukan lah. Kita terima semua jenis kereta. Bukan kereta yang mewah-mewah, semua jenis kereta kita terima.
Semua boleh masuk?
Semua boleh masuk, kita tak kisahnya.
So basically kereta Rx7 ni dah dikopek semua?
Yes, dah
dikopek semua. So ni bumper dia, itu belakang tu ada engine,
tyre,
ada tyre kat belakang, subframe. And then depan ni apa?
Depan ni semua barang-barang interior ada, undercarriage pun ada juga. Macam
barang-barang kecil dia lah.
Barang kecil sebab ni saya nak sorak untuk cat terus. So some of it saya akan powder coat dekat Johor juga. And some of it kita akan water jet untuk bersihkan semua. And macam the aluminium ni kita akan restore to the original state lah. You know. Right.
Okay, so yang ni yang banyak dalam kotak ni.
Yang kotak ni semua markings because saya tak ada macam organizer nak letak barang-barang semua, so I had to use pasu sampah lah. Paling economical kan. So this is the side skirt and left and right punya parts, macam dia punya blank, dia punya screw, bolt and nut or whatever lah. Lepas tu ada banyak tau dekat rear wheel arch. Saya dah marking lah. Lepas tu ni brake booster punya barang dia semua. This is from the rear trunk.
Okay, ni barang-barang yang senang hilang lah.
Senang hilang lah. Takut salah. Ni interior punya atau cockpit punya barang kan, dekat dengan dashboard. Semua dah susun semua lah. Itulah. Dia tengah flush balik minyak angin semua keluar kan. Release. Lepas tu ni engine bay ni barang semua.
Kecil lah.
So one by one lah saya susun semua. Senang. Nanti nak display balik kan. Oh ni barang dia, ni barang dia. So tak macam nice lah.
Management penting.
Management penting, betul. Kalau tak nanti kita akan buang masa cari barang. Yang mana barang, mana
Kalau
barang.
tak kena beli baru.
Betul.
Duit lagi.
Duit lagi. Dah cukup lah. Dah cukup lah. This year dah cukup lah.
Okay. Siap. Kena tengok next episode.
Alright. Next episode.